Hi guys, it's Kojitech here, and in this video I'll be showing you how to remove an image background from Photoshop CS6. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. This video will show you how to simply remove the background of an image in Photoshop CS6 using the magic wand tool. Depending on your needs, you may use a transparent image to add beautiful background-free images to documents, presentations, and websites. This video explains how to remove the backgrounds of simple images using selection and deletion. This method works best for images with simple backgrounds with a solid background color, smooth edges around the object, and a distant contrast between the foreground and the background. These instructions may not be for you if your image is detailed or intricate around the edges or has a background with a similar color to the foreground. The rest of this video will introduce you to the basic selection tools. Without wasting my time, let's open our Photoshop CS6. Now we have our Photoshop CS6 opened. The next thing we have to do is to go to Files. Then we click on Open. We choose our image from there. We click on Open. So after we select file from the menu bar, then we click Open. We browse for our image file, then we select the image, then we click on OK. There we have our image on our screen here. The next thing we have to do is to select the layer from the background. So here we right click rather. Then we choose select from layer. We click on it. We rename it Mango. And we click on OK. Now we have our layer. Without removing the layer from the background, our background cannot be transparent. So now we have our layer removed from the background. The next step is to select the magic wand tool on the vertical toolbar. The vertical toolbar can be located on our left side of the Photoshop CS6. So we right click on the fourth icon from the top and we select magic wand. Then far away from our object, we make our initial selection. There we have our selection. So the next step for us to do is to press backspace when you are using Windows or delete when you are using a Mac to remove the background. We click on backspace using our window. There we have our background change. So we press D on our Windows or Command plus D on our Mac to deselect our selection. Control plus D. Now we have our object. So this image can be placed or can be used in our MS Word or on our website without any background. We have our background change. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly do so. Don't forget to bring in your comments as I'm ready to engage with you. Thank you once again. It's Koji. Take care.